Fundamental Blogging Guide, a method to get going blogging. While some people still use blogs for that function, a lot of individuals have discovered a method to make good money through blog sites. It is next to difficult to make cash with a blog unless you have a good blogging guide to assist you along the way. The method they make the most money is by providing outcomes that are relevant to the people using them. If they didn't return useful results, then individuals would just go to a competing search engine to conduct their searches. Blog sites supply the finest of both worlds. They are focused on a single topic, so there is integrated relevance. They are updated often, so freshness is there. An excellent blogging guide will reveal to you how to make the most of both of these aspects, plus another which we will get to shortly. Your blog will start climbing greater in the search results when you are able to offer appropriate and fresh material. This is an advantage as many people will try searching with different words rather than digging too deep into the search results page. If you can get on the very first 3 pages of outcomes, you have an opportunity to produce some good natural traffic. The very first page of outcomes is even better, and the very first 1 or 2 positions on page 1 are ideal. Now on to the other thing. A great blogging guide will reveal to you how to make cash with your blog site. There are a few different ways you can make cash with a blog, however, it all comes back to dealing with blogging like a business. While you can use totally free platforms like Blogger and WordPress, you still need to host them on your own website and pay for a domain name such as www.nameourblog.com. See, if you use a free service, and host your blog with them using the complimentary domain, they can delete your blog site without caution. While some people still utilize blogs for that purpose, a lot of individuals have discovered a method to make good money through blogs. It is next to difficult to make money with a blog site unless you have a good blogging guide to assist you along the way. Now on to the other thing. An excellent blogging guide will show you how to make money with your blog. See, if you use a complimentary service, and host your blog with them using the complimentary domain, they can delete your blog site without warning. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.